Coffee lovers, this espresso cake is for you. It is packed full of delicious coffee flavor. Here are the ingredients that you need to make this cake recipe. Sieve all your dry ingredients together in a bowl. So that is your flour, your cocoa powder and your baking powder. I forgot to record when I was adding the baking powder, but I did add this to the dry ingredients. Check out the description for all the ingredients that you need for this cake. In a separate bowl, combine your wet ingredients, so that is your oil, your eggs, as well as sour cream. If you don't have sour cream, you can substitute and use yogurt instead. And last but not the least, coffee, because it's an espresso cake. For me, I like to use Nespresso coffee and then I top it up with piping hot water to the desired volume. You can also use espresso powder that will give you rich chocolate flavor. Now, if you don't have espresso powder, you can use normal coffee, but you need to double the quantity so that you really get that coffee flavor into your cake. If you don't do that, then actually your cake will taste more like a chocolate cake rather than an espresso cake. So mix together all the wet ingredients together, and then you're going to add the wet ingredients to your dry ingredients and mix it up nicely until it's well mixed. So your batter's not quite ready. You can still see there's some lumps of flour. So you want to mix it until it's nice and smooth with no lumps. Don't worry, your batter will look quite running. That's absolutely fine. That's exactly how it should look like. So once you've mixed and you're no longer seeing any flour lumps, then your batter is ready. Pour it into your cake pans, which has been prepared, and next you're going to pop it in the oven to bake. And here is our finished espresso cake. Now, I know it looks like my chocolate cake, but I can guarantee you, if you have done the espresso part properly, it will taste like coffee and it is absolutely delicious. So I hope that you try this recipe. If you have any questions, drop a comment in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.